Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So today in this video I'm gonna share my Amazon beauty haul. Amazon is having their Prime Day sale. There are so many amazing offers. I'm gonna mention the offers down right here so you can definitely check it out. Now today I have a few of the products. There are only 5. It's a very small haul. So let's just begin with this. Okay, so first up I have bought this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. This is their color board eyeshadow palette, Meet Your Match. I am super excited to try this palette. Actually, it is very affordable. I'm going to mention all the prices down below. So this is how it is going to look like. This is the packaging and you have to open it like this, which is so good. Now this has 4 sections right here, as you can see. And let me just quickly swatch few of them. So here is the purple shade chart. Then we have this blue one right here. We have the green one on top and this orange one in the second one. Okay, so I'm going to swatch few of them. It definitely reminds me of the Cups and Lashes one. But yeah, let's see the formula. Green shade looks good. Let's try this orange. Oh my god, it definitely looks very good. We have the blue one. I'm gonna swatch this middle one. This is so pigmented. And the last one I am gonna swatch is the pink one, of course. So here are the swatches. I really liked it. Now I am very excited to try this out on my eyes. It definitely felt a little, you know, drying, not powdery, little drying on the pan, but we'll see if this works on the eyes or not, how it pops and how is the color pigmentation, how it will blend. If you guys want to see a review of this, just let me know in the comment section below. Alright, next up I have bought this Swiss Beauty brush set. Now this is the professional face and eye brush set. It has powder, concealer, eyeshadow applicator, foundation blender, highlighting and lash brush. So let me just quickly open it. Alright, so here are the brushes, as you can see. Let me just quickly see the brush bristles. Okay, so this is the powder brush. I would say it's kind of soft. Yeah, it's soft. I'm very excited to try this. You know, I'm planning to do a full face of Swiss Beauty, so that is why I actually bought these brushes. Right, so this is the powder brush. You can use it for blush, contour and lot of it. This is the, you know, foundation brush. It is a Kabuki one. This is a flat thin brush. You can use it to carve out your brows or cut your crease. These two are eye brushes and this one is the brow brush. So I'm super excited to try this. The price of this is I think around 600 rupees. The exact price will be in the screen. Okay, next I have bought this Miniso perfume. I have a Miniso perfume. I don't remember the name of it, but the fragrance is amazing. So I thought of trying this one. This is the Blooming Blissful one. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of. I have tried it, you know, today only. Video batne ke pehle I thought I should smell good, but the smell is kind of like a jasmine. I don't like it. I don't think I will be using it because it's little strong and the fragrance, the jasmine fragrance, I don't like. I like a little bit of fruity kind of a smells or wooded kind of a smell, but this one is too much for me. I think I'm gonna give it to someone. I don't think I'm gonna give it to someone because perfume किसी को देना नहीं चाहिए, ये मैंने सीखा है. And I guess घर पे कोई यूज़ कर लेगा, but not me, definitely not me. क्योंकि इसको अगर मैं यूज़ करूँगी ना, मैं बेहोश हो जाने वाली हूँ. इतना गंदा स्मेल लगा मुझे ये. So I definitely wasted पता नहीं कितना. Yeah, 360. I think I've got it around 200 or 300, somewhere around that. Alright, next up I have got this. This is one of my favorite things. Now, I really wanted to get my hands on this from so long. लेकिन इसका price ना बहुत ज़्यादा आता है. तो मुझे Amazon में बहुत कम में मिल गया. These are the eyes globes. This is the magic eyes globe. So this is how the eyes globes looks like, and trust me, I am super excited. मैं कल ही से इसको use करने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna just depuff my skin. I'm gonna relax and do little bit of massage. इसको मैंने बहुत दिनों से ख़रीदने की कोशिश किया था, लेकिन मैंने जहाँ पे भी देखा था उसका प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा था, 3000 4000 अराउंड. तो मुझे इसको लेना था, कम में मिल जाता तो अच्छा होता, मैं हमेशा सोचती थी, एंड Amazon में मिल गया. आई एम सुपर हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट दिस. यू कैन यूज़ इट एनी टाइम एनीवेयर, बट यू हैव टू मेक इट तो आपको तो फ्रिज में रखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दीज आर आइस ग्लोब. ये बहुत ठंडा रहेगा तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा स्किन को. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दैट आउट. बट इफ़ यू आर विलिंग टू बाय दिस, गो फॉर इट. बहुत अच्छे से पैक हुआ था, बहुत अच्छे से रिसीव भी हुआ है. सो डेफिनेटली रिकमेंडिंग दैट. कमिंग टू द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज़ नॉट अ ब्यूटी काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट, but I'm gonna decorate my room. So it's a beauty room, beauty studio room. So I'm gonna decorate it, and I thought of starting with S, because obviously S for Shohini, S for Shoho, so S for sexy. Anyway, so this lightens up, as you can see. I hope ये दिख रहा है. Okay, I mean it's a gorgeous thing. It retails for around 300 rupees. ज़्यादा नहीं है इसका प्राइस. एंड इसमें बैटरी लगाना पड़ता है, इसी जगह पे बैटरी लगाना पड़ता है. एंड देयर इज़ दिस बटन ऑन एंड ऑफ, एंड दैट्स इट. ये ऑन है अभी, एंड यू कैन स्विच इट ऑफ. ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं रात को इसको रख देती हूँ कहीं पे जला के, एंड आई कैन सी दैट एस. यू कैन गेट एनी अल्फ़ाबेट्स you want. I think there is also numbers, so you can collect all of them and arrange it to your name or somebody you love. उसके नाम पे भी आप सजा सकते हो. थोड़ा रोमांटिक हो गया ना. Anyway, alright, that is it for today. Do check it out, the Prime sale on Amazon. I'm gonna mention the link down in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know if you guys enjoying my videos or not. And let's hit 60k subscriber very soon. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.